Hey guys, what's up? Choochoogamer here. Today we're gonna be doing another unboxing video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this big thing. It's called the Orbi. It's basically a Wi-Fi router that splits into three different things. So there's the I don't know any technical stuff. I guess it comes with the router and then two satellites, which are sort of like adapters that make the signal go further. So, yeah, let's start unboxing this thing. Alright, so now this thing looks like a little box or a crate or something, so let's open this up. I really like this box. Presentation's very nice. Okay. Make it sound like I never said that. Quick start guide. Cool. I'm gonna need that later. We have our first one. Alright. Here's the router. So it has all those ports in the back. You guys can see them. Router, I don't think this is supposed to be on it. Yeah. Yep. Top. Maybe it might glow up on the top or something, I don't know. Alright, so here's the first one. Let's just set that aside. Okay, so now the box is like this. Let's turn down that light. Alright, there we go. That's much better. Alright, and it has a little ribbon to take it out. Two accessory boxes. Alright. Here's the next one. It didn't drop. You guys definitely didn't see it drop. So here's the satellite, or the thing. Let's go down to that. So there's this part now. Basically the same exact thing. Has the same exact ports on the back. Just put that on the side again. Let's put that right there. Another box. Just put that aside too. And then more stuff. Thing to go download the app. And then for the last box, or the last one, there we go. Box is now empty. Nothing else is inside the box. Pretty good box though. Alright, so I have no clue how to set this stuff up, but that's what's inside the Orbi, I think it's like called like a tri-band, oh yeah, a tri-band Wi-Fi, so tri-band Wi-Fi. So now we got the satellite. We got first satellite, the second satellite, and then we have the big router. So, yeah. I will notice on the top, the tops are white, and then for the router itself, it's blue on the top, like a light blue. So I do sort of like that. Tell the difference. I'm just gonna put that on there so I know which ones they are. Alright, so now let's see what's inside these accessory little box things. So here, alright, just a whole bunch of white cables so far. So this looks like a power cable. So 1, 2. I think the other stuff, I don't think there's anything else in here. No, that's all that's in there. And then in here, there's a lot more in here, I guess. So there's a third power cable for all three of them. And then this in Ethernet cord. So, yep. So yeah, that's all that's in there. It's probably a horrible idea, but that's a pretty quick video. I will say that I am gonna be soon making my PC. I need to buy all the parts. If you guys want me to, like, I don't know, vlog me when I'm like out buying all the parts, and then like and then post that, and then do a live stream later on after that, then I can do that. Or, you know, I could just not do a vlog or whatever. So yeah, your guys' choice. Anyways, guys, like I said again, thanks for 106 subscribers now, and yeah, see you guys next video.